I have the Mantis barrel rail BR7 adapter. I'm going to show you how to install this on a Mossberg 500 12 gauge shotgun barrel. And I've already unpacked everything. You've got the adapter here, the two pieces of that. Then you've got these rubber pads, which are used to fill in the gap that may exist between the barrel and the sides of the adapter, and the mounting hardware. So these two long screws will be the ones that I use with everything here. Move those to the side. So I'm going to use this second to largest pad, and ideally you're going to try and center or have the center of this adapter at the 6 o'clock position on the shotgun barrel. And you can do 3 or 9 o'clock if that makes sense. You just need to make sure that the app is set appropriately for that configuration. But I feel like most people are going to find the 6 o'clock position to be easiest. And I like to drop the nut into the slot, the retention slot that's built into the adapter, and then put the screw in after. I just feel like that's easiest, but you can do whatever your heart tells you to do. Live your truth. As far as the tightness goes, I don't think it has to be super tight, but if you're shooting live ammo, probably a good firm. I just use the short side so I don't over torque it. And I'm getting that fairly tight. I mean, as far as the feeling goes, it's like a decent amount of pressure. I'm not going to install both of them, but you do the same on both. Get both screws in there so it's firm. And then you'll have this protrusion. You can go down to Lowe's, Home Depot, whatever hardware store you have nearby, and find some screws that are shorter if you don't like those protruding. But once the adapter is installed, then you'll slide the Mantis on and you are set.